Searching Tips, presented by Moody Medical Library, Reference and Educational Services. The search tips in this presentation apply to most library databases. Some specific features of Medline, CINAHL, and PsycInfo are also provided. Search tips. Write a sentence describing the search topic. Identify key terms to search. Note, if you have problems doing this, you may not adequately understand the topic and would need to spend some time in the secondary literature, for example a textbook, filling in the background information. Enter your search one concept at a time. Do not enter complete sentences. Entering your search one concept at a time helps take advantage of mapping to control vocabularies or subject headings. It also makes it easier to reuse terms when they exist in separate search statements. Avoid text word or keyword searches. Use explode and focus appropriately. Use and or appropriately. The concepts presented on this slide will be further explained in the rest of this presentation. Searching with subject headings. Searching with subject headings is a powerful way of searching. It takes advantage of the fact that someone, namely the indexer, has already considered and described the aboutness of an article. It also helps alleviate the problems of synonyms in medical terminology. The EBSCO and Ovid search interfaces help translate your way of thinking into the control vocabulary's preferred term. Enter your search one concept at a time to take the best advantage of this feature. Subheadings. Subheadings are available in the control vocabularies for Medline and CINAHL. They qualify subject headings by pinpointing some specific aspect of the concept. Subheadings are tied directly to the term which they qualify. For example, heart diseases with the subheading drug therapy specifies only those articles that discuss the heart disease from the aspect of drug therapy. It will not be drug therapy for diabetes in someone who also has heart disease. Keyword searching. Searching without the control vocabulary is referred to as keyword or text word searching. Keyword searching looks for the word or phrase exactly as entered. It is literally looking for the string of characters, not what the string of characters mean. Searching heart disease as a keyword finds just that string of characters and will miss articles that use the phrase heart diseases or diseases of the heart, cardiovascular disease, myocardial infarction, or any other specific kind of heart disease. Another keyword search example with cancer. It will retrieve articles using the word cancer meaning neoplasms, the astrological sign, and the geographical term, Tropic of Cancer. It will miss articles that use synonyms for cancer like neoplasms, carcinoma, melanoma, etc. Avoid keyword searching unless there is no control vocabulary term available or if brand name is important. Synonyms in medicine example with type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes can be referred to as type 2 with the Arabic 2, type 2 with the Roman numeral 2, adult onset diabetes, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and the acronym NIDDM. If there were no control vocabulary, searchers would have to think of and enter all 5 synonyms to ensure complete search results. Searching the subject heading, diabetes mellitus, non-insulin dependent, retrieves all articles about the concept, regardless of how the author referred to it in the article. Explode and focus are major concept. Once mapped to a subject heading, you have to decide if you want to use the features explode and or focus or major concept. Here are screenshots from the Ovid mapping display for Medline and PsycInfo and the EBSCO mapping display for the CINAHL database. In each interface, you'll see the subject heading that you're mapped to and a chance to explode and focus, or in CINAHL it's called major concept. Explode. The control vocabularies of Medline, CINAHL, and PsycInfo are hierarchical. There are parent-child relationships among the terms. Explode gathers all indented terms with one search. Explode is a comprehensive way of searching. The rule of thumb is always explode. The next few screenshots will show pictures of the control vocabularies for each of the databases to illustrate the explode concept. In Medline, the control vocabulary, the medical subject headings, refer to the hierarchical display as a tree. Hepatitis is a child term of the broader concept liver diseases. It has its own set of children terms: hepatitis alcoholic, hepatitis animal, hepatitis chronic, etc. The plus terms out to the left indicate that the terms have their own set of children terms. When you explode, not only do you get the parent term, but the children, the grandchildren, the great-grandchildren, etc. Here is the tree view for the CINAHL subject headings. Looking at the term Nursing Models Theoretical, you can see that it is a child term of the broader concept nursing theory. It has its own set of children terms, in this case specific kinds of theoretical nursing models. Plus marks out to the right indicate terms have their own set of children terms. Again, when you explode, we would get the broader concept Nursing Models Theoretical and all the specific kinds of nursing models indented underneath and any children or grandchildren that might exist. The PsycInfo Thesaurus is arranged slightly differently than the Medline and CINAHL subject headings. When you reveal a term, it will show broader terms, narrower terms, and related terms. The presence of children terms is represented by a plus NT out on the right. When you explode, you'll include the selected term and any narrower terms. Related terms are not included. If you see a relevant related term, you would need to search it on its own. In this example, if I explode psychotherapeutic counseling, I'll include that concept, the concept family therapy, and any of its children terms. Focus or major concept. During the indexing process, indexers not only assign subject headings to represent the concept presented in the article, they also select some terms to be more important than others. They indicate the main idea of an article or the main focus or major concepts of an article. The rule of thumb for focus or major concept is to use it sparingly or not at all. Sparingly is defined as one concept per search. You lose good articles if you focus every search term. If you do not use the feature at all, you will not miss any articles in the subject searched, but some of the articles retrieved may be a little less relevant. A review of OR. OR is an expansive way of combining. It's good for synonym building or putting like concepts together. Example, types of chocolate candy I like: Milky Way, Snickers, Three Musketeers, Twix. Combining with OR would allow me to ask for any of those candies. AND is a restrictive way of combining. It forces topics to overlap. More food examples: bacon and eggs, macaroni and cheese, spaghetti and meatballs. Combining with AND requires both or all items to be present. Conclusion. Librarians are available to help you with your search. Other tutorials on asking questions and finding answers are also available. Questions? Ask a librarian. Chat or email from the library's homepage, or call 409-772-2372, or come see us in person at the reference desk, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you.